In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy options on Robinhood using the website. If you're new to options trading or just want a walkthrough of the process, this guide will give you all the information and context you need to make your first options trade confidently and safely. Let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account. Open your web browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Make sure you enter your login credentials securely, avoiding public computers if possible, to keep your account safe. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page and find the search bar. This is where you'll find the stock you want to trade options for. For example, if you're interested in trading options for a popular tech company, just type the company's name or ticker symbol in and select it from the list that appears. After you select the stock, you'll be taken to its main information page. Here, you'll see all the relevant details for the stock. But since we're focusing on options, you'll want to look for the Trade button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Trade Options. This will open up Robinhood's options trading panel for that particular stock. Now, you'll want to choose your expiration date. This is the date on which your options contract will expire. You'll see a list of upcoming dates, typically spanning a few days to several months out. Select the date that fits your trading strategy. Keep in mind that the closer the expiration date, the less time you have for your trade to be profitable. With the date selected, it's time to decide which type of option you want to buy, a call or a put. Calls give you the right to buy the stock at a certain price within a set time frame, while puts give you the right to sell. Review your market outlook and select the option type that aligns with your prediction. Next, it's time to pick your strike price, the price at which you can buy or sell the stock under the terms of the option. You will also decide how many contracts to include in your order. Remember, each contract typically represents 100 shares, so keep that in mind when setting the quantity. Before you hit submit, take a moment to review your order summary. Make sure all your selections, expiration date, option type, strike price, and contract quantity are correct. Once you're sure, click Review and then Submit to place your option order. If you find that you're unable to access options trading, perhaps because your account isn't yet approved for options, don't worry. You can simply reach out to Robinhood support for help continuing with your trading application. They're there to assist you and guide you through the necessary steps to become eligible. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy options on Robinhood using the website. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on the process, I hope this guide made things clearer and easier to follow. Good luck with your trading, and thanks for watching.